Hello everyone, I wanted to share my experience of my recent hair transplant. It's been 21 days since I had the process done, so I thought it would be good to share the honest review of the process so far. So as I said, it's 21 days. I've come here for my PRP session today. So I guess probably good to give a quick note why I chose to do hair transplant. So it's more that my hairline was receding, my hair was thinning. So after a very thorough review, I chose to come to Mr. Drashitgupta's clinic, and was well recommended by a number of people who have done this hair transplant before. So on the day of the hair transplant, I met the team. Actually, before the transplant, I spoke to the doctor, and he was very helpful and explained the process very well to me. On the day, the team met with me, they assured me, they explained the process to me, how it would all go through. When I arrived, they explained me the process could take about 6 to 7 hours, and that was spot on. It took about 6.5 hours for the process. The team was very supportive. They were checking on me on a regular basis if I was feeling okay. In the operation theater itself, there were a team of 6 people who were doing the operation, and they were very professional throughout. They kept on checking with me if I was feeling comfortable, if I was feeling okay, and if I needed any assurance or any support. As I said, the process took about 7 hours. After the process, the bandage was put on my head, and I really didn't feel a lot of pain even after the process. And they explained me what it would be the after care process will be. The instruction was very clear. I was able to sleep well, and it was fine. And they explained the aftercare process really well. So now it's been 21 days, and I'm here for my first PRP session. The PRP session went well as well. And hopefully I will keep you informed in a few months' time how the recovery is going. Thank you.